Yeah, I thought there'd be more people out today, but it's super empty out here. Looks like a little Harley group. Looks like you got some guys, some group guys out here. Let's see where he's heading. The cool thing is I can follow this guy and try to follow his lines. It'd be good practice for me. See where they brake, see where they release the brake. See the guy with the bicycle right there is hogging up the whole lane. I don't want to run into that bicycle guy. I don't want to risk it. See, the one ahead is a Ducati. This might be a Yamaha. I'm not exactly sure. He didn't even break into that curve, so we'll see. That's the problem coming out in the street, you know? And this guy saw me coming out, and he still wanted to get ahead of me. So now those guys are probably a good few seconds ahead of me. Yeah, I see him over there. Can't come out here because I can't see the cars coming in, so gotta be careful. That's the problem with these curves, like, you know, if you don't see the end of the curve, then you don't want to get ahead of the car because there's two-way traffic. Those other guys are probably way ahead of me by now. Yeah, I see them down there. Ride the shoulder a little bit. Yeah, those guys are gone now. That one car cost me like 3 or 4 seconds, and I hear 3 or 4 seconds means that they're gone, especially when they're used to riding out here. But that's what happens when they have the routes memorized. They know where they can go. See right here, I can't see the curve, so we gotta wait. Can't see the way out here. Oh, they're probably all going to that gas station over there. This is why, like, if I ever do any group rides, like, really soon, gotta make sure that, like, I hang out in the back and just try to, like, fight for my life while being safe and give myself some margin. To get a quick picture of the Ducatis right here. Got a little V4 Panigale. SC Project short can on it right here. Nice. Looks like we got an arrow exhaust on this one. Got the arrow right there. Yeah, these look nice. Then we got my S1000RR right here.